how to hide your best friend on Snapchat. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how you guys can basically hide your best friend on Snapchat. So firstly, open up Snapchat on your phone, and then after that from over here go to your chat, and then you guys can simply come on to your story creation section. So once you guys are on your story creation section, now from over here you guys can just simply create a story. Once you click on story, after that you guys can choose to of course add this particular story to any one of your stories. But if you want to hide it from your best friend, simply click on the top left on your profile, and then after that simply click on these three buttons next to your story. Then click on story settings, and then after that just simply click on custom and just simply type in the name of the person you want to hide this particular story from. I will choose this person. I will click on block, and then after that of course that person is not going to be able to see or check out my story in any way. They won't even know that I've posted any story. So guys, that is how you can basically hide your story from your best friend. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.